Ahoy, shipmates! We're up here in this sleepy little town of Somerton, up here in Somerset. The day has just started. I see there's a lovely county flag flying there, proudly. Lots of stone buildings, all made with local Mendip stone, I would assume. Very interesting variety of buildings. I'm not quite sure what these little alcoves were for. Maybe sheltering in the rain. But as you can see on the signpost here, we are not far from Glastonbury. In fact, Glastonbury is our next stop after this one. There is Somerton in the distance, but just to the east, up on the hill, we have the latest crop circle of the season. In fact, this is a dual crop circle. Relatively simplistic circular design. But I have noticed the aliens have developed this new fondness for weaving the wheat. A little difficult to see in some of these images. The circle on the right is more of a conventional circular circle, and the one on the left is the one with the woven centre. I hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. I'm off to Glastonbury to look at the next one. Till next time, shipmates.